Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at the Tech Travel Geeks. And this is a quick unpackaging and first impressions video of the iBetter case for the Google Pixel 4a. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We recently unboxed and then in a follow-up video provided an experience of the setup of the Pixel 4a, and now I'm setting up the device. One thing I think the device does need is a case to keep it safe, to avoid that screen getting smashed and, more importantly, the lovely unapologetically plastic back getting scratched. So this is a case I purchased on Amazon. It was an Amazon Prime delivery item, which means that it was delivered very, very quickly, next day delivery. It actually arrived before the Google Pixel 4a, which is great. So let's see how the Pixel 4a fits in the iBetter case for Google Pixel 4a. So now that it's in, as with other iBetter cases that we've seen for the Xiaomi A3 Android One device, as we've seen for the iPhone, and more recently the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, this case fits nicely. It covers the corners, it lifts up the screen if you're going to be putting it down on a surface, and the buttons fit well. Let's go with a fingerprint scanner for unlocking and see if the volume buttons work. Everything is working great. There's appropriate cutouts for the Courage port, microphone, and at the bottom the speaker and USB Type-C port. So it feels nice, it's not slippery, it's soft. I really like this case. I can say at the moment I would recommend this, especially considering I have previous experience with iBetter cases for smartphones. So it's slim, it's light, it doesn't add too much thickness to the device, and the fingerprint scanner is easily aligned, so not an issue there. So that's it, yeah. The link will be in the description on where you can purchase the iBetter case for Google Pixel 4a. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. If you would like to ask any further questions, please do leave us a comment below. But for now, thank you for watching and goodbye.